Hi everyone, I'm Caesar and welcome to this tour of our fantastic student accommodation right in the heart of the city. So let's check out Wharf Hall. Wharf Hall, located right at the edge of our wonderful campus. And it's quite convenient because you got a really big supermarket nearby and access to our Queen Elizabeth Leisure Center. Let's have a look. There's lots of rooms available with flats containing either 4, 7 or 10 bedrooms. So let's have a look inside of one of them. As you can see, here you got your own double and really comfy bed with plenty of study space just for yourself. Lots of shelving so you can decorate as you like, make the space your own. And as an extra, your own sink, but also plenty of storage. One of the most important things that university teaches us is how to become independent. So here we got plenty of space to practice this important skill. In the kitchen, you got all the amenities required to learn how to cook. You got your own fridge, plenty of appliances such as hob oven, you even got a toaster kettle and a microwave. And you got the cleaning supplies, of course, because you have to do cleaning by yourself. While in the dining area, you will enjoy a lovely time with your flatmates or friends. This flat also have a shared bathroom and a shower room. Here at New Wharf Hall, you also have access to bike storage, car parking, and laundry facilities. New Wharf Hall also provides secured entry, plenty of CCTV cameras, and 24/7 on-site security. But there's also high-speed broadband included in your tenancy. Thanks a lot for joining me in this tour, and see you around the campus. Bye bye!